Soldier, keep on marching on. Head down till the work is done. Waiting on that morning sun. Soldier, keep on marching on. Head in the dust, feet in the fire. Labor on that midnight wire. Oh, oh, soldier, keep on marching. Keep on marching. Marching on.
Hi love, this is it, the moment we have all been waiting for. First of all, I want to say thank you kasi tinanggap mo ako ng buo, kami ni Saiven. Hindi mo ako hinusgahan, hindi mo pinaramdam sa akin na hindi ko deserve yung mga bagay na ginawa mo para sa akin.
But I can't help falling in love with you.
Kahit anong problema, di mo ako hinayaang mag-isa. At dahil doon, lalo kitang minahal ng sobra. Dati tinatanong ko si God kung bakit ko kailangan ma-experience lahat ng heartache at sadness. Ngayon binigay niya na yung sagot. At ikaw yun. I promise you to be your best friend, to love you and support you. And from this day forward, tutuparin natin yung mga pangarap nating magkasama. Hindi ako magsasawa na mahalin ka, kahit toyoin ka. I will keep you and hold you, comfort and tend you. I vow to love you forever.
Falling in love.
You're the one I've waited all my life for. You're the one I'd lose it all and die for. And as the sun transforms into the no, I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is yours to hold. Through every high, every low, our love will only grow. And I'll be here when the sun sets. And I'll be here to hear when the sun sets. And I'll be here till our final breath. My life is all for you.
Mahal, kahit nag-aaway tayo, hahanap ako ng paraan para maayos natin yung problema natin. At tanggap ko lahat sa buhay mo. Marami man pagsubok na dumaan sa atin bago tayo dumating dito. Kinaya natin at kakayanin natin kung anumang pagsubok pang darating.
But darling, we will never break. No, I'll never stop chasing your heart. My love is
kahit anong mangyari ngayon at sa mga darating na mga panahon, lagi lang ako nandito sa tabi mo. Hindi na ako magpapromise sa'yo. Basta gagawin ko na lang yung dapat para maging maayos yung pagsasamahan natin. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
It's all for